Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video how to separate difference in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly, then show the Excel document from the list A and list B. This list from the separate is the difference. Now select from the data. Now keyboard first from the control select. Now difference separate formula highlight. Now going to the fill color option, then I choose color. Now for OK, that's OK. Then I show the separate difference in Microsoft Excel. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.